up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 super easy, super simple hairstyles, and this is actually one of them. A lot of people think that styling your hair is really time consuming or difficult, and it doesn't have to be. If you just get some simple techniques down, you can style your hair any day, every day. Even if you're having a bad hair day, you can make it work and look good. So if you're interested, then keep watching. First, I'm going to start by brushing all the knots out of my hair, and I'm using the Tangle Teezer brush, which you guys saw in my Ulta haul. I did straighten my hair earlier in the day, which I'd recommend doing just to help keep the frizz away when you're styling. For the first look, I take a rat tail comb and I part my hair down the middle. Looking at it now, it's a bit off center, but that's okay. Next, take a small section of hair in the front, just like that, then braid it about 3/4 of the way down. Make sure the braids are tight because we won't be using rubber bands to secure them. Repeat on the other side, and again, make sure you're braiding tight. Then you can pull your hair forward, or you can tuck your hair behind your ear, and that's it. There's your first simple hairstyle. For the second style, you're going to take your rat tail comb and side part your hair using the arch of your brow as a guide. Then start working your hair back. Next, start to gather your hair into a low pony. Okay, and then when it's all smooth, secure it with a hair tie. Then I took Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream to smooth down the frizz, and I know that's not what it's meant for, but it worked for me. I like to use a toothbrush to help me smooth the frizz and my baby hairs. I started doing this a few years ago, and that's just what works for me. Then I just saw a bump that bothered me, so I pinned it down. And that's it for the second style. For the final look, I part my hair in 2 sections, using the back of my ear as a guide. I take the front section and I clip it. Then I take the back section and I put it in a ponytail. And I do this to prevent knots and tangles for this particular style. So once the back is secure, I take the front section and I start working it upward into a high ponytail. I like to use the comb to help smooth everything out. Then once it's where I want it, I secure it in place with the hair tie, and I make sure it's super tight. Then at this point, you can take the back section out of its ponytail and just brush it out a little. Then, using the defining cream and a toothbrush, I smooth my frizz and baby hairs. Lastly, I spray a dry argan oil onto my hair for some shine, and it also smells really nice. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!